Here is how you might create a contra voucher in Tally Prime. Open Tally Prime and select the company you want to work with. From the gateway of Tally, navigate to Accounting Vouchers. Select Contra Voucher, often represented by F4 or another key, depending on the keyboard shortcuts configured. Enter the date of the transaction. Choose the From and To ledgers. Times in the From field, select the ledger representing the source of funds, example, cash or bank account from which funds are being withdrawn. Times in the To field, select the ledger representing the destination of funds, example, another bank account where funds are being deposited. Enter the amount of the transaction. Add any narration if needed, providing a brief description or reason for the transaction. Save the voucher by pressing Ctrl+A or using the appropriate Save button. You might need to provide additional details or confirmations based on your company's configuration or the specific version of Tally Prime you're using. Please note that these steps are based on the general process of creating a contra voucher in Tally, and the user interface could have changed in subsequent updates or versions.